morning, Southeast Lancers. So today you're going to meet with your mentors and we're going to log into Xello. So how to do that, just a refresher, is go to the district's website, www.usd247.com. You're going to log in as a student into PowerSchool. You cannot use the app. You're going to use that little square with the arrows. It's going to say sign into Xello. Once you sign into Xello, you're going to see your dashboard. So mine says my name up here at the top. Over here under About Me, you're going to see one more thing in this column without a check mark. It's called Skills Lab. So we've done the matchmaker, we've done the personality style, the mission complete, and the learning style. And all those things are really important and vital when choosing a career or researching careers because it's matching to you. But the next thing it's going to do is match your skills. So that's not just what you're naturally good at, but something that you really enjoy. And both of those things are extremely important when choosing a career or something that you want to do after high school. So log into Xello, make sure that all of your lessons are done. So mine says 50%, yours should say 100%. Then you're going to go under About Me, you're going to select Skills Lab. You're going to read about what the Skills Lab is going to do. So it's going to tell you not only the skills that you enjoy, the skills that you're good at, but all those things put together, and it's going to match some careers to you. So it'd be interesting to see if those careers that you have chosen or they have selected for you are matching with those as well. So today, that's what I would like for you to do. Log into Xello, make sure that your lessons are all done, and then do that Skills Lab. Once that's complete, you are done for the day. Thank you. Make sure you ask me if you have any questions, and I hope you all have a very good day. Bye.